Hello dear students, this is Anbar Shrivastava and I'll be teaching you advertising management. We'll start from the first unit. In first unit, we'll be discussing topics like advertising, its introduction, its scope of advertising, importance of advertising in business, role of advertising in social and economic development of India, ethics and truths in Indian advertising. But before discussing about all these topics, you should understand why advertising. Right, you can only get depth of this particular subject if you are getting the importance of this subject. So you should understand what is the importance of advertising and why we are going to study this particular subject. Actually, advertising is the best way to communicate to the customers, and advertising helps informs the customers about the brands available in the market and the variety of product useful to them. With this, advertising is also for everybody, including kids, young and old age people. It is done using various media types also. So that's why advertising is having a big role for everyone. With this, advertising, we'll be discussing about the importance of advertising in later on slides too. And advertising is also very important for the customer. It is also very important for the producer, and as well it is important for the society. So that's why we are going to study this particular subject in depth. And with this, there are so many good career options. While you're going to study this subject, you'll be having the knowledge about how it is important to shape your career too, right? So now we are going to start the particular subject, advertising. What is advertising? When we talk about advertising, it is the word that is has been originated from a Latin word advertere, which means to turn on, or its dictionary meaning of the word is to announce, publish or give public notice. So this particular word advertere means towards something, and advertise means to seek an attention of someone. So that's why advertising seeking attention of everybody, right? Advertising is also can also be understand like it is simply a way of selling something in the most effective method possible. So advertising is an activity of attracting public attention to a product, service or business as by paid announcement in the print, broadcast or electronic media. You should pay your attention in these lines. Advertising is an activity. It is an activity of what? Of attracting public attention, right? Public attention, yes, of course, we have already gone through this particular definition or word advertere, that is seeking attention of a public, and then it is seeking attention for what? To a product, to a service or a business as by paid announcement. Every advertising is paid, right? And in the print, broadcast or electronic media. So it can be in the form of print media, broadcast or electronic media, right? There are a lot of definitions and you should understand the particular definition over here. This is the basic definition of advertising. Advertising is the non-personal communication of information, usually paid for and usually persuasive. So we'll have attention in some words like advertising is the non-personal communication. Yes, why it is non-personal communication? Because advertising is not for particular person, it is for everyone, it is for the masses. That's why it is non-personal communication. Why it is a communication? Because only on the behalf of advertising you are getting a message from one source to another. That's why it is a communication. So it is a non-personal communication of what? Of information, usually paid for and usually persuasive in nature. That means that advertising, whatever is the advertising you are watching, that is paid and it is persuasive in nature. That means it is very much convincing in nature. You can be convinced by the advertisements. About what? About products, about services or ideas by identified sponsors through various medias. That means you know the sponsors who is going to show that advertisement and who is the sender of that particular information in form of advertisement. So it is by the identified sponsors, and through the various medias, it can be by newspaper, it can be done by TV, it can be done by any platform, right? Now second definition comes here. According to Richard Bushrick, advertising is a paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsors. So whatever is being said over here, the definition says the same, right? Next we'll be discussing about the other definitions, that those are very important, and you can focus only on 2 or 3 definitions so that you can write well in exams too. According to Richard Bushrick, advertising is a paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services by an identified sponsor. Same is said over here, that it is the paid form first. Second, it is non-personal presentation. Of what kind of presentation? It is about ideas, goods or services, and it is done by an identified sponsors, right? Next definition, according to Wheeler, advertising is any form of paid non-personal presentation of ideas, goods or services for the purpose of inducting people to buy. That means it is a kind of presentation for the people that is inducting people to buy something. This particular advertising in this particular definition is pushing the people to buy something, right? Next, according to John E. Kennedy, advertising is simply a way of selling something in the most effective method possible. Good advertising creates sales, not just attention. This line is very big enough to understand, and you should focus on this particular line. What is there? Good advertising creates sales, not just attention. You may understand this particular line by your own examples. Many times, you may watching TV, you may listening radio, and you may going from away and you're watching the hoardings. You can see the advertisement, right? Many of the time it is seeking your attention, but it is not like you're going to buy that product. So good advertising, what is the aim of advertising? It should be very good so that the customers are making sales for the particular product or service, right? It is not to just seek the attention of the customer. It is about creating sales also. So that's why good advertising creates sales, not just attention. Fine.